Tariffs are a common economic tool that directly impacts the price of goods you buy every day. Let's break down how they work. A tariff is simply a tax imposed by a government on goods that are brought in from another country. Governments set these rates to protect domestic businesses or to negotiate trade terms with international partners. It is a common misconception that the exporting country pays the tariff. In practice, the importer pays, and costs often trickle down to shoppers. While tariffs tax imports to influence price, quotas simply limit the total amount of a product that can enter the country. When a tariff is applied, the cost of an item typically shifts upward, which is why your grocery or electronics bill might fluctuate. Remember that economic policy is rarely one-sided. There are always trade-offs involved in government trade decisions. Understanding these basics helps you track how global news impacts your personal budget. Thanks for watching and stay curious.